Hello, welcome my YouTube channel Technology. So welcome everyone and all friends that like, share, comment and watching in my video in my YouTube channel. So in this video, I show you or I teaching you everybody or friend how to activate or operate headlight washing headlight function. Okay, model Toyota Land Cruiser VDJ and model to year is 2020. Okay, now let's go. Now for operate the headlight washing system and use this function, we need to turn the headlight low and high on. Okay, you can turn on. Okay, like this. Okay, now turn off. Okay, the headlight off. Now you can operate, turn on, or auto, or turn. Okay, and then push the headlight function, headlight washer function switch. Okay, now you can push. Okay, you can have a noise, operate the washing headlight. Okay, through. Okay, you know. Okay, if you want operate the washing headlight but you you turn off headlight when you operate the headlight function washing not working. Yeah, you must to turn on headlight. Okay, and then push the button headlight washing malfunction. Okay, like this. Okay, do you understand about I teach you? Okay, and I explain you. Thank you and this for watching in this my video. Thank you my speaking English so I can speak English little. If you want to like more video, you can subscribe my channel and you can like and share and comment also. Good luck. Thank you in next video. Bye bye.